Hi. For yes, no questions, the sentence structure is the same as a sentence where I'm telling or commanding you. The difference for a question is that the eyebrows are raised. For example, you're a student. The sentence, I'm telling you. The sign is you, student. You, student, you. Now, the question, are you a student? You, student, you. See the difference? If you know casual English has a similar tendency where if I'm telling you you're a student, my voice is flat. If it's a question, you're a student, the voice goes up. So you can imagine the difference there. In ASL, it has something similar where the eyebrows go up to show it's a question. In English, the structures are you or do you. We don't use those in ASL. Simply you student, or maybe the girl there, she's a student. Here are more examples. Your sister, is she happy? Remember, eyebrows up. She happy? She? Another example. Do you like chocolate? Notice the difference if I'm telling you chocolate I like versus chocolate you like. You can maybe add that second you. I tend to use the second you pronoun. Chocolate, you like you. Another example, help. And that's the sign help. It's directional depending on who is where. Plus, if it's a question like please or do you mind, eyebrows must go up. So the difference between help me, I'm telling you or ordering you to help me, and the difference between that and help me, will you help me? Or maybe, do you mind helping me? And if I'm offering, can I help you? May I help you? So it's help you. Can I help you? And the response is either yes or no. Another one, join. I join you. And if my eyebrows are flat, I'm joining you. I'm telling you that I'm going. I'm joining. But if maybe you're going out and I'm curious, want to come, then may I join you? Eyebrows are up and you lean forward. Can I join you? Okay, so again, let's review. For yes or no questions means the response is yes or no, or maybe, any of those three. The question, you have to have the eyebrows raised, plus you should be leaning forward, and the last sign you can hold for a second. Okay, last example. Are you subscribed already? Okay, if you haven't yet subscribed, please click the button, and that means that you'll see when I upload new videos. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.